Hello everyone, I am Harshika Narula from grade 8A, the Lexicon International School, Kalyani Nagar. So today I have made a very interesting project on drone programming. So in this video, I will be telling you how to connect your drone to the Wi-Fi or to your computer, and we will code it using Scratch. So first, we have to download three files. The first one is Scratch 2.0 offline editor. It is very important to take this version, as in other videos when I had learned about connecting the drone to the Wi-Fi, they had told me to download Scratch 2.9 or Scratch 3. But those do not work efficiently, as this Scratch 2.0 is an offline editor. And when we connect the drone, the Telo drone, to the Wi-Fi, we do not have Wi-Fi or the normal Wi-Fi, as Telo drone will be connected. So it is important to download the Scratch 2.0 offline editor. So this is the link. I will also be putting the link in the description box. And you can download the one like Windows or Mac OS. I have downloaded the Windows as I am using Windows. Next, we will go to node.js. Now, node.js is basically a JavaScript function. So what node.js does is it connects the drone to the computer directly. As we cannot connect the drone to Scratch, the drone does not understand the commands of Scratch, so node.js acts as a translator. It translates the Scratch commands and gives it to the drone. In Node.js, you have to download the V8 version. The other versions might give an error. To download it, you will go down and download the Windows installer. If you are using Mac, you can select it over here. Now the third file that we have to download is the Scratch folder. If you also want to download this Scratch folder, you can put your Gmail in the comments section and I will send you the Scratch folder file. Now this is the Telo drone that I have with me. This is a DJI Telo drone that we will be using. As you can see, it is the normal Telo drone and we will be connecting it to Wi-Fi. So first what we have to do is we will open the Scratch 2.0 offline editor. So here we have the Scratch 2. Now you can see that this is the normal Scratch. But now how will we use it to connect Telo, as it has no commands for Telo? For that, we will go to the file. To click on file, you have to press shift and then you have to click on file. Then only you will get the option to import experimental HTTP extension. You will click on it and then you will select the telo.ste file from the Scratch folder. We will open it. And now when we go to the more blocks, we will see the Telo functions such as takeoff and land. It is also writing Telo control. Now we will code it a little bit. So we will just do basic right now. So when the run is clicked, it will take off, and when space is clicked, it will land. Now we have to connect the node.js with Scratch. So there will be two main steps to connect it. First, we will connect the node with the Scratch, and then we will connect the drone with our Wi-Fi. So basically then our drone will be connected with Scratch indirectly. Now we will go to the command prompt. You can type cmd in the search box and click on the command prompt. Now over here, you have to give the link for the Scratch folder. Inside the Scratch folder, the three Telo files, wherever the three Telo files are, you have to give its link. I will copy this link. Go to the command prompt, type cd space and then the link. Then I will press enter. Now I will write node space telo.js. Now this line will connect the node to the Telo.js and to our Scratch program, as we are already inside the Scratch folder. I will press enter and now it is connected. Now I will switch on my drone and then connect it to Wi-Fi. This might take a minute. So there are also many functions of Tello control that we can use, such as fly forward, fly back, rotate. I will be explaining more of them in my other videos. I'm also going to program our drone through Python. I will also give that video. So stay tuned. So now we have the Tello 954B04. Now this is the name for my Tello drone. The name for your Tello drone might be different. I will click on connect. Now it is connecting. So you can see now it is connected. Now I will run it. So now my Tello drone has taken off. When I click the space key, it automatically lands. I will try this one more time. I will click on the go button. It takes off. When I click on space, it slowly lands. So this is how the Tello drone worked. I hoped my video was helpful. Now I will show you the output of how the Tello drone worked. Now I will press the run, and you can see the drone has. Now when I press the space bar, it automatically lands. So I hope my video was helpful, and now if you want the scratch file, you can comment it and I will send the scratch file to you. So happy coding and thank you for watching. Stay connected.